you are new here, welcome. This is your fabulous friend, Jacky Navarro. And if you are new here, again, don't forget to click the subscribe button. So, did you miss me, guys? It's been a while that I haven't done any vlogs because I was on a long vacation and I was in the Philippines and I didn't vlog anything because, you know, I just want to feel the moment. I just want to enjoy my time with my family. But today I will share it with you guys, what I did back home, and of course a makeup tutorial today and some products that I got from the Philippines. So, as you can see, we cut again our hair and I had it colored. Thank you Bench Fix Salon for doing my hair, and Buyas who did my hair. Thank you so much for making me even fabulous. And it's so surprising that the assistant was actually one of my subscribers. He didn't recognize me at all because I told him that I am a vlogger, a YouTuber, and then he asked for my YouTube channel, and then surprisingly he already watched one of my video, I think that one of the makeup videos. So I'm so happy. Hello Kuya! Thank you Bench Fix Salon, SM Baliwag branch. Go there and look for this Kuyas. I will just put the picture right here. Another update is that we got a new car! Woo! Wow! So we got this Innova 2.8 is Toyota automatic. So we got this from Marilao branch, Toyota Marilao. Thank you Miss Janice for assisting me. You are very helpful. Please contact her or look for her if you want to avail or get your own car. So that's it. So let's go ahead and proceed with our everyday makeup look. So if you want to see how I do my everyday makeup look, just keep on watching. When I was in the Philippines, I got some products in the Philippines, so I'm gonna show that to you today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and proceed with the makeup tutorial. So of course, as always, start with our basic. It should be clean, so I already cleaned my face. And if you have toner, you can do toner and then moisturizer, and of course sun protections. As always, I will use my Olay Natural 7 White with SPF 15. So you know it's almost finished, so let's go ahead and put that on our face so it will stay moisturized. And you know it's very hot here in Thailand and very sunny, so I'd like to protect my skin. Normal days, I don't like heavy makeups. I just like to conceal some of the dark spots and acne scars or red spots. So let's go ahead and use this Maybelline Age Rewind. Just like to apply it under my eyes and the side of my nose where it's really red most of the time, and I have some acne marks, like dark spots there. And using my Real Technique sponge, just blend it. Alright, then after concealer, I'd like to set my face using the BB Pond. You know, this BB Pond is really nice. It will make your face fresh the whole day. It will lessen that oiliness. The oil control is just amazing. After that, I would like to bronze my face, and I got this really nice bronzer. My aunt gave it to me, my aunt Flor. This is the Physicians Formula bronzer. Bronzia. It smells really good. It smells like coconut. I like the packaging. It's really cute, and inside you have a mirror. It has a sponge. It's not a brush. I'm not gonna use this because it's not blending really well. for the nose. This is how I contour my nose. It's very easy.
Easy.
And I got another item, which is the True Match Lumi Glow Nude. So thank you, Tita Flor, for sending me these cuties. You really know me. This is Starlight, Sun, Dawn, and Saturn. Using my highlighting brush, gonna use this one. Let me just give you a quick swatch. Ooh, yes, that's nice. This is perfect for dark skin tones. And a little bit on the forehead. Korean effect, and the bridge of the nose, and on the chin. Alright, and for the eyebrows, I have Ever Belena. This is in shade Blonde, number 2. There you go. So this is really nice because it has eyebrow pencil and 2-in-1 siya. So it has eyebrow pencil and eyebrow mascara. Bongga. So I had my hair colored. That's why I got like the lightest shade. So this is good for those who have lighter hair or blonde hair. So let's go ahead and apply that on my eyebrows. And the eyebrow mascara, it's really nice because it's really small. It's really easy to apply. So why are we using eyebrow mascara? This is to make your eyebrows a little bit thicker, and also so that it won't go anywhere, and also it will even out the color of your eyebrows with your hair. And for the eyes, I will use the same bronzer that we use on our face, so not too much because this is just an everyday look. Eyeshadow, not really fancy, it's just an everyday look. And then I just like to put an eyeliner. So this one is also a new product for me. This is the Ever Belena All Day Eyeliner. This is for 199 pesos. I don't suggest buying this one. I'm not very happy with the result. Just buy the Maybelline Hyper Black, the one with the red cup. That one is better. That's my favorite. But for today, I'll just use this so that, you know, you would see. So I just want it to be very, very thin. It's not that easy to apply using this eyeliner. And then I'll just finish the other side. There you go. Normally I just curl my lashes and put some mascara, but today I will review another product. This is the Wake Up and Makeup Magnetic Lashes. So we're gonna try that today. It's gonna be on a separate video if you want to see that. I will just put the link on the description box, or you can click somewhere here or at the end of the video. So I'll just put it and I'll be back. Before I put on my lashes, I will just like to proceed with lipstick. We're almost done. And today, this is my current favorite lipstick. It's from BLK. So this is Miss Ann Curtis product. This is the Dandelion All Day Intense Matte Lipstick. So it is a really nice lipstick. Look at the packaging, it's really cute. And this is a 2-shade lipstick, which I am obsessed with right now. So look at that. So let's use the pink one first. Then what I like to do is apply the red one on the inner corner of my lips. Sometimes if I don't have blush on, I also use this lipstick as my blush on. I like to use the pink one or the lighter shade on this lipstick. So just put a little bit, just blend it. You know what, if you're gonna do this, make sure that you don't have your powder yet. So I did a really big mistake because it's really difficult to blend once you have the powder on top, but that's okay. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and to get more updates every time I have a new video, don't forget to click the notification bell button, and of course don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you again on our next video. Stay fabulous. I love you. For today's quote, this is from H. Jackson Brown Jr. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. That's it for today, guys. And if you have any code that you would like to share to our fabulous fab friend, please comment down below. You know, it might help them or it might give happiness to other people who are watching this video. As always, guys, stay fabulous and I love you.